Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got something to share with you today from Diamond Art Studio. Now they were kind enough to send me these and they did email me to let me know they were on their way. However, because they're UK based, there was only a day in between and I hadn't spotted it, so really excited, nice surprise. But look at what they now do. I mean, look, just opening the box is gorgeous before anything else. But let me move the box. Look at these. So Diamond Art Studio, as many of you may know, is quite a new UK company. I've got a couple of their diamond paintings actually already. Mr. Quacker's is from them. But they have very recently started doing AB diamonds, and look at these. So you can get them, I think, singly or in packs. They do come with the DMC numbers. So we have 5200 in AB square, 996, 995, 742, 701, 666, 310 and 208. And they are labelled all on the back, but look at how pretty they look when spun out. Gives you a nice little variety if you want to change the odd diamond in your painting to have that little bit of extra sparkle. I might have to see if I've got that colour in Mr. Quacker's. I know I've got that colour, but I might need to see if I've got that colour. They also do the same in round. So they are, I think, oh hang on. Yeah, still 742, 701 was the other, yeah. So they're exactly the same numbers, but in round. Look at that sparkle. So if you like to be able to change things up a little bit, this can be the perfect way to do it. I'm definitely going to have to do it in some paintings. I've been saying it for a while. I've just not quite found the painting that I've wanted to change something up into. Though it has only been about a month and I didn't think it'd suit an anime painting that I've recently done. But yeah, if you want any of these for yourself, I will of course pop the link down below. But also, they are very, very kind enough to have a coupon code for me to share with you guys, which is ZEST10, and that will get you 10% off your order. So do have a little peruse. There are a few nice designs and many more designs coming. But add yourself a little bit of AB sparkle to go along with it so that you can jazz up your next painting. But thank you all so much for watching. It's a quick little video, but I was excited and I wanted to share with you all for when they get used in the future. I will speak to you all again soon.